Hello, my name is Danny Wallace and this is my SER203 video submission for Assessment 2. For Assessment 2 we were given a set of Unity resources to develop into a cannonball firing simulation. The basic requirements of the simulation were to set up the cannon to fire a cannonball at a stone wall and knock it down. The simulation must be able to show the trajectory of the cannonball, and there must be a definite arc in that trajectory. Before firing, there is a target reticule which must be positioned to show the anticipated landing spot, and that landing spot is to be worked out using a ballistics calculation. I now show my submission demonstrating the basic requirements, which will be followed by some examples of some extra functionality that has been developed. Thank you. When the simulation is first run, the cannon and tower is in position and a 5x5 stone wall is built in a nominal position. The cannon rotation, tilt and force can then be adjusted to requirements. Once this is done, the P key is used to instruct the simulation to position the target reticule in the position that it thinks the cannonball will land. As can be seen in the video, when the cannonball is launched, the ballistics prediction calculation agrees with the Unity physics engine. The first part of the extra functionality is more control over the cannon movement. The rotation and tilt have stops employed to fit in with the basic layout of the simulation, and the rotation has a coarse and fine mode. If you use the left shift key when moving, it drops down to fine mode. There are a couple of extra cameras and the view can be swapped during the simulation with the Q button. Cannonballs have a variable length decay which is based on the distance calculations, and the distance is also displayed on the screen. The predicted landing spot is calculated in two dimensions, X and Z. At any stage the stone wall can be rebuilt. This is a little bit like a level up because there's a couple of extra features enabled. The first is a random number of gold stones will be placed in the wall, and the position of the wall can optionally be positioned based on the target reticule. There's a scoring system in place that will award 50 points for a cannonball that lands reasonably close to a user predicted target, and 2 points for a cannonball strike on one of the golden stones. Target can be used to rebuild the wall in a different location.